For so many years, Black women have been ignored, not listened to. I think the reemergence of the Black Lives Matter movement has really provided an opportunity for change. School administrators, CEOs, executives are listening to Black students, Black people in general. Now more than ever, it's my job to claim space, to show that representation and actually represent. My name is Danielle, and I'm the first Black female student body president at my university in 159 years. Growing up, I dealt with a lot of othering at a predominantly white private school. Just growing up in that environment, I always felt different. There was always people assuming you're on scholarship, or people assuming you shouldn't have gotten into the school you did, or because it was only because of your race. I've been called the N-word a couple of times. You're just trying to go to class, get good grades, and there's that constant reminder that you're different. I didn't embrace my hair as much as I wish I did. I usually kept it up in a ponytail, trying to keep it away from people so they wouldn't touch it. So when I was in middle school, my friends and I, our parents would drop us off at the mall, and we used to love to go into Sephora. So I think that began my beauty journey. At Sephora, I ended up experimenting more, learning what styles I could do and how I could wear my hair, not trying to conform to match Eurocentric beauty standards. So I'm an only child with a single mother, so I was very close to my mother growing up. I definitely think my perseverance was inspired by my mom. She always was instilling me the importance of leadership skills as well. So I always wanted to raise my hand first in class, always wanted to be the line leader, and I think that's definitely gotten me where I am today. I'm a 20-year-old student studying mechanical engineering. I came onto campus kind of wanting to make change. When I was a sophomore, there was probably 3 or 4 other Black women in the 150+ student government. I really wanted to be a voice for my community, so I decided to run for president. I think I didn't expect so many people to doubt me along the way. Our election was very close, actually. I won by 28 votes. I'm incredibly humbled and excited to get to serve my community in this way. I think my position just reminds me of how strong a community there is behind me. This year marks the 100-year anniversary of a woman's right to vote. So now in 2020, it's really our role to be the one sharing our perspectives, because our perspectives have been left out. It's so important to vote, to make your voice heard, to realize the impact you can have.